Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the use of getParentClass function in PHP. Okay. So the description says that the getParentClass function retrieves the parent class name for object or class. So this is the function and it returns a string right there, and we just pass in the object if we are using this function outside of class, or if we are inside the class we can just skip the or just like don't pass any argument right there. So to use this, I'm going to use my ID right here. I'm using PHP Storm, right? So I'm going to create a class called person, right? And we don't really write anything there, and we can just straight echo if you want to print. Say get underscore parent class. Okay, here we specify uh, person class. So let's say person is equal to new person, and inside here just pass the person class like there, and when we run this, okay, we won't get anything. So the reason of that is because person class doesn't have any parent, right? So if we say class maybe father, okay, father class, okay, the person extends from a father class, okay, so the person has a father, and when we run this, right, we will get a father right there. So by default, when you call get parent class and the class doesn't have a parent, alright, you will get a false, okay, you will return a false. This method will return a false, as it say on the documentation right here. Say if called without a parameter outside the object, this function return false, right? So this is one of the way that we use this function. The other way is that, for example, this person class, we have public function, let's say construct right there, and it echo, okay, so echo get parent class, right here, and let's just create a new class outside this new person class right there. When we run this, okay, we will get nothing, okay, but this thing works fine. So when we call this function inside a class, okay, in this case the person class, we don't really have to pass anything right here. So we get empty because this person class doesn't have a parent. So if we say extends father, okay, we run this, we'll get a father. So father is the parent class of the person, okay, and you can also pass this right there, this, right, and you run this, you will get a father, or new self, right, you will get a father. Okay, so basically because we are calling it in constructor, let's say we want to, let's say public function get parent, okay, something like that, and accurate right there. Okay, so this is a short syntax to create a to create an a, to create an object, right? So you can use the all way, but I prefer the short syntax, short way. So get parent right there. Let's see if it works. So we'll get a father right there. Okay, new self will give a father. New static, right, will give us father. And if we say new parent right there, when we run this, we get an empty right there because father class doesn't really extend from anything. But then if we have a class called grandparent right there, okay, and then the father extends the grandparent right there, okay, and when we run this, we will get a grandparent right there. So as you can see, when we create a new parent right here, we basically create new father, and then the father will create a grandparent right there. Okay, so not really create, when we call this new parent, we will ask what is the parent class of father, and then PHP will return grandparent for us. Okay. But then if we say here, we leave it empty, run this again, it will say that father is our parent class. So person, the parent class is father, okay, for father, the parent class is grandparent right there. Alright, and inside we can also pass an object right here. So like the documentation say, we can pass an object right there. Okay, so what you mean by that is, for example, we have let's say here we create a father is equal to new father, right? Father right there. We can just pass it right here, father, okay, and it will get the get parent class of father. So when we run this, we will get a grandparent. Okay, so basically that's how it works. For this, that's how this function works, right? And if you guys want to read the documentation right here, I will leave the links on description, and see you guys on my next video. And thanks for watching.